Hey everyone, you are watching Flutter with Alan, and today we are discussing Dart fundamentals. In the previous lecture video, we will discuss about what is Flutter and what are the basic topics of Dart. Okay, in this video, we just go through what are data types and variables. In this video, we just go through the practical learning. So firstly, I have to give void main function. Okay, so why we use the void main function in our Dart code? Why using the void main function? This function doesn't return anything. It is going to perform some specific task. Okay, in simply the void main function is actually a gateway of every Dart code. Okay, so that's why we are using the void main function. Then, firstly, moving on to the first data type in Dart, I'll give an int. Okay, the int is actually used for declaring an integer type of values. Okay, and I am given a variable name as age is equal to 22. Put a semicolon at the end of the line. Then next data type we just go through double. Okay, the double data type is actually used for floating point values, okay, or pointed values, and I'll given marks is equal to 20.5. Put the end of the line using a semicolon. And the next data type is string data type. The string data type is used to implement or write our values as a text. Okay, only the text values. So name is equal to, I will given the value Alan. In every line of code in Dart we use these semicolon. Okay, don't forget that. Then the next data type is Boolean data type. Why we use Boolean data type? The Boolean data type is actually used to declare the value is true or false, and I'll declare Boolean name. Okay, what is this? This mail is the variable name. This is the data type, and I'll given a value as true at here. Put a semicolon at the end of the line. Okay, the next data type is list. Okay, the list data type we used for the ordered collection declaring. So by using the list, we use these brackets. Okay, by using these brackets, I put inside int is equal to no, num is equal to, put a square brackets. I'll give some values as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then put a semicolon at the end. Then the next data type is I'll use set data type. Okay, the set data type is actually used for the ordered unique values. Okay, by using the ordered unique values we use the set. Then inside the set I'll also using these brackets. Okay, so giving the string given as a variable name as fruits, and I'll given in string we use to declare our values by using these brackets. Okay, these brackets called curly brackets. In the curly brackets we also using the double quotes to declare our values. So apple, I'll given one more value mango. Okay, semicolon. Then the next and the final data type is dynamic. Last but not least, dynamic value. Okay, we have to use this is actually used to declare any type of data inside the dynamic by using the dynamic data type. So I'll given a variable name as x is equal to double quotes just text, put a semicolon at the end. Okay, these are the values we have to show or we have to see at the debug console by using a print function. By using the print function, we have to firstly give a curly brackets at here, then print function by using, okay, I'll just giving age printing at here. So printing the age, yeah, and I'll running this code. Yeah, got it. 22 will display that here. Inside a prompt to give, just putting the double quotes, the age is, and this variable name will given by using a dollar symbol. Okay, dollar age. Then I'll be run here. Yeah, got it. The age is 22. Okay. After all these values are printing by using the same manner. Okay. I just show one more line. Marks. Sorry. Marks. Okay. I'll run it here. Yeah, the age is 22, the mark is 2.5. One more line I will show, and then just winding up this video. I just show the boolean value right here. So I'm printing boolean, just removing all the prompt right here. We don't have time to spend more, so just giving the value at here. Yeah, the value will be true at here. Okay guys, today we are winding up. Okay guys, see you on next video. Keep coding, take care, and bye.